What's up everyone, it's Shaquille, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to add Face ID to specific apps on your phone to add an extra layer of protection in case someone were to get through the lock screen on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to Face ID lock your apps. You hold on the icon, and then here it will say require Face ID. You tap on it, and it's going to say require Face ID for mail. It will require Face ID or your passcode. So if your face fails for Face ID, you'll be opted to input your passcode. You just press require Face ID, and you see that icon pops up at the top. Now it's locked. So if you try to press it, see, it will require Face ID. But if you fail, let's say it tries to get your face and it doesn't work, this pops up. So I'm going to show you one more time. On the Photos app, let's say your photos are really private, you require Face ID, and then you just put your face in front of it, and it will pop up and ask you, do you want any of these apps to have access to your photos? You can click on it as well. Also, I've already pre-locked my text messages, so I'm going to show you how to unlock it. Let's say for whatever reason you don't want to have Face ID to protect your apps anymore. You hold on to it, and it will say don't require Face ID. You then press on it. You will have to input your face. Yep, I had to move my face around the camera, but that's it. So one caveat to locking your apps with Face ID is that if you are the type of person who loves using Apple CarPlay, you love driving around, you love texting from Siri in your car, you love having Apple CarPlay read your mail or your text messages, etc., it will not work. You will have to unlock it on your phone and then be able to use Apple CarPlay. So because I am driving a lot and I use Apple CarPlay a lot, I stopped locking my apps with Face ID. So the Siri and so the car can use Apple CarPlay with these respective apps. But if you're the type of person who loves to drive and never check email, never check text messages, don't call anyone ever, and you know that, just to protect yourself in case people get through the initial passcode right here, etc., then Face ID locking your apps is a good thing. It's an extra layer of protection. And you saw that, let's say your face gets damaged or it can't read your face for whatever reason, you can still enter your code to then unlock it. Make sure you subscribe for more iPhone tips.